can hear the ticking of the clock. I'm leaving home, heading for the dock. Sweet Gypsy Lee stands waiting for me. I'll be there right on time. She lives on a boat down by the coast. It's painted red, green, and gold. She has a hold over me. I'm so helpless that I cannot see. Temptation's there, I'd better beware. I have a home and family, and though I've tried to break free, she has a hold over me. Every Friday night it's just the same, cheating on my wife once again. I'm trapped inside, don't know what to do. I can't break free, all because of you. I can feel the rocking of the waves, floating up and down a rhythmical sound, yeah. Then she appears in her splendor, long black hair as dark as the night, red ruby lips, jewelry that shines, yeah. There ain't no doubt I'm under her spell. Every Friday night it's just the same, cheating on my wife once again. I'm trapped inside, I don't know what to do. I can't break free, it's all because of you. I said, I can't break free, it's all because of you. Oh yeah, I can't break free, all because of you. I can hear the ticking of the clock.